Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Call of Duty by opening settings and navigating to graphics or display. Adjust gamma or brightness first because the game's internal slider directly affects exposure. It's faster and consistent. If HDR is enabled, turn it off to avoid double handling of light levels. Once done, apply the change and immediately test in a bright outdoor map to see overall effect. Make small 5–10% moves. That prevents blowing out highlights and keeps shadow detail readable. You should load a consistent test scene, an outdoor map or campaign segment with sky and shadowed areas, so adjustments are meaningful. Use contrast and shadow sliders next. Contrast increases separation, while shadows recover detail without changing overall exposure. Make incremental tweaks and use a static reference point in the scene to compare before and after. Once your midtones look natural and highlights aren't blown out, lock those values and note them. That gives you a repeatable baseline for other maps and lighting conditions. You finish by checking external factors, monitor or TV OSD brightness, contrast, and any game picture mode. If you use Windows HDR or GPU color profiles, disable or match them to avoid conflicting processing. Once done, join a multiplayer match to verify skin tones and smoke visibility. Some maps reveal overexposure problems. If things go wrong, try toggling HDR or resetting the game's display settings to defaults. This often clears profile conflicts and restores predictable brightness behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.